Rocky mountains and remote villages abound in the Indian state of Uttarakhand. For the residents here, TV and internet connections are practically non-existent. A few years ago, Kumaon Wani, a community-run radio station in the hills of Mukteshwar, decided to do something about it.
Ready?
The station's manager, Mohan Singh Kharki, and his team produce a program that's broadcast to around 500 villages.
The radio is our platform. If there are problems within our communities, we try to find solutions within these same communities. When someone shares a problem they are facing on our program, then we can find solutions there as well. If locals don't phone in with suggestions, then we speak to experts who help listeners with solutions and advice.
And advice is in hot demand here, especially when it comes to farming. Agriculture is the primary source of income for the 350,000 residents in this region. But the state is becoming increasingly vulnerable to earthquakes, floods, landslides, and water scarcity as a result of poorly planned construction projects that are ill-suited to mountainous terrains. The state's burgeoning hospitality industry has put even more stress on rivers and lakes. This has triggered a water crisis in villages like Mukteshwar. The crisis has made Kumaon Wani's educational programs on farming and climate change all the more welcome. 35-year-old Jitendra Raikwal produces Kumaon Wani's broadcasts. He takes great care to tailor the show to the needs of his audience, often reaching out to experts.
One of our listeners called in and told us that the government is building expensive cement tanks. This is a wasteful public policy decision in an already geologically sensitive area. Farmers using polythene is another big problem.
Local farmers, especially those who engage in step farming and who use canal and ridge systems to divert the flow of water to their fields, are feeling the impact of these shortages. The total land area dedicated to agriculture is reportedly shrinking as well. Kumaon Wani producer Jitendra Raikwal also works as a farmer. He's witnessed the devastating effects of water scarcity firsthand.
The impact of water scarcity on nature can be seen in our fields and gardens. Older trees have been completely destroyed. There are newer plant varieties that are flourishing, but they are too expensive for locals. Farmers with small plots are forced to sell off pieces of their land as a last resort, or they're selling one or two canals. Some people have even started selling off all of their land.
Krishan Singh Bargale also tunes into Kumaon Wani regularly. The farmer recently learned from the radio station that a solution made out of lime and water, which local calls chuna, can actually help protect his apple trees from getting infected with bacterial diseases known as apple blisters.
Earlier, when we would have trouble with our trees, we would have to travel to Pantnagar, almost 100 kilometers away. Now we get information from Kumaon Wani radio station, and we use that for our benefit. Who else would have told us how to fix it? Fortunately, I got information from the radio and was able to revive my plants myself.
After airing a program about the impact of excessive pesticide and insecticide use, the radio team noticed changes in local farming practices.
So today people use minimal amounts of chemicals in the crops they grow. If you visit the fields today, you will see that many farmers understand the harmful side effects of the chemicals in insecticides.
A big challenge for the radio is funding. Grassroots issues don't attract commercial advertisers. Nevertheless, they managed to get some public funding and support from NGOs. Despite these challenges, the non-profit radio station has not only helped reduce environmental problems, it's also had a huge impact on the life and work of hundreds of villagers in the Nainital district.